Your car is misfiring. You take it to a mechanic, and he says you need new spark plugs and an ignition coil. Suddenly, you're facing a $1,200 bill. But here's what he doesn't tell you. It's usually one or the other, and your car is already revealing which. Today, I'll reveal 8 signs that separate bad ignition coils from bad spark plugs. And at the end, I'll show you how to replace either one in under 5 minutes. Let's start with the symptom most drivers ignore until it's too late. Number 8, the check engine light deception. Here is something mechanics know that they are counting on you not knowing. The check engine light cannot tell you whether it is the coil or the plug. It only tells you which cylinder is misfiring. That is exactly why they quote you for both, because you have no way to challenge them. But here is what the light does tell you if you know how to read it. A solid, steady light almost always points to a spark plug issue. Gradual degradation the computer has been tracking for a while. A flashing light is different. That is an active misfire happening right now. 9 times out of 10, that is a dead coil. This is why every driver needs their own OBD2 scanner. A decent one runs about $30 on Amazon. Plug it in, pull the code, and you immediately know which cylinder is the problem. Now you are not walking into a shop blind, you are walking in with the same information they have. One last thing they will not tell you. You can have both a failing coil and a fouled plug with no check engine light at all. The computer missed it entirely. That is where the next 7 signs come in. Number 7. The rough idle riddle. A rough idle is another vague symptom mechanics love because it can be caused by either of these failing parts. However, when you pay attention to when and how the car idles, you can narrow down the culprit. A rough idle caused by fouled spark plugs usually starts with a warning. Instead of the regular hum, the engine grumbles at every idle. That's because the spark isn't consistent and that cylinder isn't contributing as much power as the others. As the spark plug gets worse, so will the idle. Your car will begin to vibrate more noticeably. But when the rough idle is caused by a bad ignition coil, it is loud and immediate. That's because coils don't slowly get bad, they detonate instantly. 1 minute the car is running fine, but at the next stop, it starts shaking violently. That coil is dead, forcing the other cylinders to work harder. Now, here's where it gets tricky. Because a rough idle from a failing plug isn't aggressive, you think it's less of a threat. In reality, a slowly dying plug causes unburnt fuel to leak into the catalytic converter, which destroys it. That's a $1,500 to $2,500 repair. If you think that's expensive, the next one will cost you twice as much. Number 6, the fuel thief. Of the 240 million licensed drivers in the US, only 15% consistently track their fuel consumption. That means you could potentially waste hundreds of dollars on gasoline if you have a bad spark plug and not even know it. When a spark plug is worn, the electrode gap has widened from the correct 0.028 inches. The same thing happens when the tip is fouled with carbon, oil, or fuel deposits. The spark that forms is weak, inconsistent, or completely absent. When the ECU detects the misfire, it dumps more fuel into the cylinder to compensate. That fuel never gets burned, but instead flows straight out of the exhaust. Or worse, it can wash the cylinder walls and dilute your engine oil. A study by the US Department of Energy revealed that a bad spark plug can reduce fuel efficiency by 30%. That's an extra $60 per month for the average driver. When a coil goes bad, it will also affect fuel economy. However, this will be a sudden drop rather than a gradual decline. 1 week, you spend $50 at the pump, and the next, it's $75. It can also lead to backfiring and a blown cat converter. If, for some reason, you miss the declining fuel efficiency, the next symptom is impossible to miss. But before then, it's time to hit the like button and click subscribe. Don't miss another video that can save you thousands in repairs and mechanic scams. All set? Number 5, the cold start clue. Here's the one that trips up even experienced drivers. You start your car on a cold morning, but there's hesitation. Your engine cranks, but takes noticeably longer to catch and fire up. Then, after the stumbling start, it drives perfectly. Your experience tells you the car only needed to warm up, or the battery is weak because of the cold. Wrong. That's a failing ignition coil, and here's why that happens. Coil windings are made of tightly wound copper wire surrounded by epoxy resin. When that resin ages and cracks, cold temperatures cause it to contract. This disrupts the magnetic field that the coil needs to start. A failing coil already struggles to multiply voltage, so adding cold air to this amplifies the problem. However, once the coil heats up, those cracks expand and close back together, and the coil works again. But just like clockwork, this will happen at the next cold start. Of course, a bad spark plug can also make it difficult for the car to start because the spark isn't there. However, the engine will keep misfiring even after the car warms up. So, before you change your battery, inspect the coil. At the end of the video, I'll teach you how to replace the coil and plugs yourself and save hundreds of dollars. Up next is another symptom that leaves a horrible taste in your mouth, literally. Number 4, the fuel smell fiasco. Have you ever started your car and smelled a strong stench like rotten eggs? That's raw fuel hitting your catalytic converter. When unburnt fuel enters the exhaust, the catalytic converter burns the excess hydrocarbons. The cat begins to convert sulfur compounds instead of carbon dioxide and nitrogen oxides, which produces hydrogen sulfide gas. That's the rotten egg smell and a sign that you need a new catalytic converter. In other instances, you could smell raw fuel instead of eggs. When a spark plug misfires completely, raw liquid fuel gets pushed into the exhaust manifold. When the fuel hits the hot manifold walls, you get an immediate, unburnt gasoline smell. You might also see a faint black smoke puff from the exhaust. Strong smells from the exhaust aren't something you should ignore. Besides the obvious mechanical risks, unburnt fuel is a fire hazard. If that hot fuel gets near dry grass or some other flammable substance, you're going to have the wrong type of barbecue. If you're not sure what you're smelling or where from, start the engine, then stand next to the tailpipe. If you can't smell anything there, pop the hood to double check. Now, let's talk about a symptom that will clearly let you know which part is failing. Number 3, the power loss problem. This is where the difference between a failed coil and a bad plug becomes night and day. You're at a green light, and you step on the gas. But instead of it taking off immediately, there's a pause, a lurch. That hesitation under acceleration is the calling card of a failing coil. When you floor the throttle, the engine demands more air and fuel simultaneously. But when the coil has degraded, generating enough voltage quickly becomes impossible. So, the spark will either be too weak to ignite the air/fuel mixture, or it won't fire at all. That delay is what you feel as hesitation. Now, let's compare that to a bad spark plug. The symptoms are similar, but this wasn't some random occurrence. Over the past month, you have not noticed poor acceleration and hesitations, especially when driving uphill. Not enough to cause you to panic, but enough to suck the fun out of driving.